Hello friends, I am Imran and you are watching Technology Tips. Today we will learn how to view v380 cameras on laptop. So let's start. First, turn on the camera and connect the camera to the Wi-Fi. Connect your laptop to the same Wi-Fi. Install v380 software from Google. Open it and sign into it. I already have it installed and signed in. As you can see, we are going to open the software. We have also added some other devices here. And here you can see add device button. Click on add device button. Now click on LAN search. So here you can see which devices are connected to your Wi-Fi. Select and add camera. Now go to the home page. Now we will play this camera. Type the camera password. I am typing my camera password. You will type your camera password. So type and save the password. Here you can see the camera is running on the laptop. You can see all the camera control at the downside. Now I will turn on the camera light from here and you can see light is on. Now I will put it on automatic. Now you can use all its control from your laptop.